Okay, good morning, everybody. This is Morgan coming to you with the 8th part in our total hip replacement series with Highland Cycles. Sorry, but it makes me laugh that that's even a thing. But I am out. This is my last day off of work. I will be going back into the shop tomorrow. I've got help coming in to do work for me, but I'll be there pointing and things like that. And check this out. One crutch up in the air. That's right. I'm doing it. I'm managing. I don't want to not have a crutch because I don't want to make a mistake and fall down. But yeah, it's coming along. Really turning a corner, feeling good about that. I am not taking any more pain pills other than Tylenol, which is awesome. I stopped that last night at 8. Haven't had one since. It's, I don't know, 10:30 or 11. Anyway, yeah, going well. Like I said, going back to the shop tomorrow. I got some more videos I got to edit from before the surgery. And obviously we'll be making more videos coming up here soon. But yeah, feeling pretty good. Feeling like things are coming along. And I really appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much for the comments, the private messages, things like that. Again, thank you. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys care and you want me to get better. So thank you. Share this story with your friends who are having surgery and worried about the time down, things like that. It does turn around. It does suck for a while, and then it gets better. So thanks, guys. Get out and spread the gospel of two wheels. And man, seriously, if you're over here on the western slope of Colorado, you better find some time to ride your dirt bikes.